For the mini machine, we can say its life that can be predicted depending upon the various sounds and the vibrations that are available from that machines. Okay. In our general life, we may have seen this one. Whenever we are having a good car or whenever we are purchasing the car from the, we can say, the showrooms over there, the car sounds very nicely over there. And if we check any car which has been used after 10 years, which has been used within the, we can say, the bad roads over there. And for the same car, if we check out its sounding, its vibration that are different. Okay. So from this, it is predictable that which the condition of the any machines over there. That is the entire study within the acoustic engineering. Okay. Today, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to design simply some tools, educational tools, which will be useful for the students to demonstrate the soundings of the particular machine or the particular vehicle to the student, and just to observe its waveforms. Okay. So objective is to create a web app. In yesterday's lectures, in yesterday's session, we have designed GUIs, graphical user interfaces. We have designed. No doubt, today's task that can be also performed by creating the GUIs. But I'm here here I'm giving the another one technology, that is by developing the same thing by using the web apps or the simple web pages. Okay. So we have to create a web page or the web app for the demonstration of the sound of engine. Okay. And for that purpose, we are going to use certain tools. First of all, for the experimentation, we are going to download some sounds from, I have given this link, that is the pixby.com sound effects. And here we will get the car engine sounds available on this site. And for today's session, we are going with the another one AI tool, which is the Microsoft Copilot. Up till now, we have done with the ChatGPT as well as the Gemini. We have used in the Google Colab. Okay. But now for today's session, we are just checking out how we can use the Copilot, Microsoft's Copilot, and its benefits and its entire things that we are going to discuss in today's lecture. Okay. So my first suggestion or the first task that we are having, you have to download the 2 or 3 sound files from the pixby.com, and particularly car engine sound we have to download. Okay, I'll switch directly to the link. On this link of the Pixby, you can see the car sounds are available. You'll be able to hear the sound. That is the engine sound. Out of that, just download the 2 sounds. It is completely free. It's a royalty-free. We can say the files are available over there. The car soundings and the car sounds. And just play it on your system so that it should sound. You should be able to hear the sound of the 2 different engines. It is the pixby.com. It's not displaying. Just a minute. This is the site. This is the pixby.com sound effects, and within that search for the car engines. and download the at least two or three sounds from that. And just open that file and just check it out the speakers of your device, of your system. You should hear it properly. Otherwise, the sound effects, you will not be able to understand whether whatever the engine sound that are in the good or bad. You can use your headphones. If speakers are available, you can use the speakers also. Okay, so we all have downloaded certain sound files. Okay, we have to simply just play that sound file so that just to visualize the effects or just to hear the effects of the good sound and the bad sound. Good sound and bad sound in terms of the car. A car which is the which is having the good condition, it will sound very smoothly. And another few sounds are there where the car it has been used for the certain years and there are the certain damages with the engine. So it's we can say the sound it will be different order. Okay. So in acoustic engineering, we are dealing with such type of sounds. Okay, no doubt only playing the sounds within the class it will not be definitely useful order. But here, just we can say analyzing some part of that signal. Okay, we can apply the various signal processing techniques on that one, and then we can just give that input to the machines so that it can predict whether which is a good or bad signal. Now, after that, see, one thing I just want to tell about this acoustic engineering that it is having the research base. Okay, means those who are interested into going into the acoustic engineering, they can go with this way. Okay, No doubt in today's lecture, we are not going to deal with the deep research over there, but some start of that point we can discuss in this one. Okay. Particular intention of this today's session is that we are going to just visualize these sounds to the students. Okay, how the variations are taking place for the normal car and the car with having some problems over there, how it can be visualized to the students within the class, that can be seen in today's session. So after downloading the this two or more car sounds, next what we have to do, we have to start with the Microsoft Copilot. This is another one AI tool similar to the ChatGPT. Okay, Microsoft Copilot, you search it. The interface is simply like this one. You can sign in, or generally it is actually some prompts it gives directly without giving the sign in, but it is better to use the sign in over there. And after that, we have to give here a particular prompt. What is that prompt? Prompt is suggest HTML code to play and visualize two sound waves. Suggest HTML code to play and visualize two sound waves. This prompt we have to give it to the Copilot. Suggest HTML code to play and visualize two sound waves. Two sound waves. Suggest HTML code to play and visualize two sound waves. Let's go to the Copilot. So it will give you the HTML code. Okay, the bigger one HTML code it is providing. Not necessary to understand the logic of this HTML code, not necessary to understand what is the tags and what various keywords within this HTML. It's not necessary to understand. Simply download this code. This is the, we can say, the third AI tool that I'm delivering over there. We have already seen the ChatGPT. Then after we have seen the Gemini within the Google Colab. Now we are using the Microsoft Copilot. Okay. We have given the prompt, and after the prompt, the HTML code we are receiving in this. See, our objective is that we are going to create a simple web page. That web page will display the sounds that we have downloaded, and its visualization will be shown over there. It will be useful in the class. Okay. साऊंडचे व्हॅरिएशन्स कसे असतात, चांगली कार किंवा जे डॅमेज्ड इंजिन आहे त्याचे साऊंडिंग्स कसे असतात, त्याच्या सिग्नलचे व्हॅरिएशन्स कसे असू शकतात, दॅट वी कॅन डिलिव्हर इन द क्लास. So after getting this code, we have to copy this code and create one folder in any of the location. Okay. कोणत्याही एका लोकेशनला या ठिकाणी एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करायचं आहे. You give the name as project 1, project 2, whatever you can give. And within that folder, जो फोल्डर क्रिएट केलेला आहे, within that folder you have to create one text file. Okay, so right click and go for the new and use the text file, and to that text file you can give the name as index. एक टेक्स्ट फाईल क्रिएट करायची आहे, त्या फोल्डरमध्ये जी फोल्डर तुम्ही ऍज अ प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून घेतलेली आहे त्याच्यामध्ये इंडेक्स नावाची फोल्डर क्रिएट करायचे, अँड विदिन दॅट टेक्स्ट फाईल जस्ट कॉपी द एंटायर कोड. या ठिकाणी जो आपल्याला कोड गुगल पायलट मायक्रोसॉफ्ट पायलट को पायलट मधून जो मिळालेला कोड आहे तो कोड डायरेक्टली इथं टेक्स्ट फाईल मध्ये तुम्ही पेस्ट करू शकता. ओके, next to that, what is to be done? This file option is there. Go to the file option and use save as. Again save as करत असताना तुमची जी काही प्रोजेक्ट फाईल आहे त्याच फाईलला तिथे जायचं आहे, and instead of saving it as the .txt, here save it as index.html. index.html and save it. index.html या नावाने ती फाईल सेव्ह करायची आहे. ज्या फोल्डरमध्ये तुम्ही इंडेक्स नावाची txt फाईल केलेली असेल तिथेच वरती या ठिकाणी एक html फाईल क्रिएट होते. ओके, सो जस्ट ओपन दॅट इंडेक्स फाईल. So automatically it will direct to the one of the browser. It will sound something, it will create the HTML file. Done?